So, good evening, Study Buddy. Sa video ito, pag-aaralan natin how to create linear objects. Okay? So, linear is arranged in or extending along a straight or nearly straight line. Okay? So, obviously, itong line, spline, M-line, ray, and X-line are commands that can create linear object. Okay, isa-isahin natin ano-ano nga ba yan. Ano ba yung pagkakaiba nila? Okay? So, unahin natin is yung basic command natin, yung line. Okay? There's a two-way how to create a line. Una, sa ating command, sa ating ribbon, sa draw panel natin, i-click mo yung ating line icon or sa ating command line. So, or ita-type mo yung line or shortcut key niya na line. Okay, so let's start. Then specify first point. By the way, si AutoCAD once na nag-enter ka ng command, nagbibigay siya ng hint kung ano yung next na gagawin mo. Sabi, specify first point. So ito yung ating first point, then next point, second point, and ating third point. Then escape to terminate the command. Okay? So, nakagawa na tayo ng object natin using line. So, sa object na to, meron tayong tatlong entity. Okay? So, bakit ko dinidiscuss to? Para ma-compare natin ano yung pagkakaiba nung line sa spline. Okay? Next naman natin is yung spline. So, same pa rin. So, sa ribbon, sa draw panel, or sa command line natin. Okay? So, gagawa lang tayo ng object na halos same ni object 1 natin, yung nagawa natin kanina using line command. Okay, so specify first start point, second point, next point, and yung ating next point, then escape. Okay, so kanina binilang natin kung ilang entity meron dun sa unang figure natin or unang object natin. So meron tong tatlong entity. Okay? Sa spline, ito na yung pagkakaiba nila. So, yung nagawa nating spline with different points, so 1, 2, 3, 4, meron tayong single entity. So, meaning, si spline, hanggat hindi na-terminate yung command, consider as one entity lang siya. Any point or kahit ilang point yan. Unlike nung line na command natin, kada point mo, one entity. Okay? Question, paano kapag itong object na to gusto mong maging single entity? Meron ba tayong way para magawa yun? Meron. So, using a join command. Okay? Then, select mo yung object na gusto mong pag-joinin. Okay? Then, enter. So, pag click mo yan, single entity na siya. Paano naman kung gusto mong ang object mo ay mag-break or maghiwa-hiwalay? So, pwede rin. So, halimbawa gusto mong i-delete itong line na to. So, pag click mo yan, syempre, automatic ma-select mo yung buong object. Ito lang ang gusto mong i-select. So, type mo sa command line X or explode or sa ating ribbon sa may modify panel. Then, select object, then enter mo. Then pag kinlik mo yan, ayan, hindi na siya single entity, 3 entity na siya. Then i-delete mo na yung gusto mong i-delete. Okay, next natin yung M-line. Ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng M-line? So M-line creates a multiple parallel lines. So sa command line, ML, enter, then specify start point. So, nakapag-create tayo ng parallel line. So, pwede din ma-edit yung scale niyan. So, ML, enter, then scale or S, or click mo yung scale, then gawin mong 2 ang iyong M-line scale, then specify start point, then escape. Ayan po. Next is yung ray. So, type sa command line, ray, Enter. Ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin ng ray? So, ray creates a semi-infinite lines commonly used as construction lines. A ray has a finite starting point and extend to infinity. So, yung first point niya is finite and yung extended line niya is infinite. So, parang ito. First point mo and yung iyong second point or yung extended point mo is infinite. Okay? Next is yung ating X-line. So, ano ba yung X-line? So, X-line creates infinite lines which are commonly used as construction line. So, same sila lang use ni ray for construction line, pero may difference sila. So, ano ba yung difference nila? So, X-line, meron tayong pagpipilian, horizontal, vertical, angle, bisect, or offset. So, try muna natin si horizontal. Ano ba yung itsura niya? So, click mo yung horizontal or H. Ayan. So, horizontal line siya. Again, sa ray, yung first point niya is finite and yung extended line niya is infinite. Unlike the X-line, both ends are infinite. Okay? Next is X-line vertical. So, without typing yung command niya sa command line natin na Excel, pwede mo nang i-hit yung spacebar. So, kung ano yung last na command na ginamit mo, yun yung mag-execute dun sa command line mo kapag hinit mo yung spacebar natin. Okay? Then, vertical naman yung piliin natin. Ayan. Okay? Escape. Terminate the command. Next, angle. Then 45 degree angle natin. Next, ating bisect. Okay? Okay, yan po yung ating bisect. Yung offset is pag-aaralan natin yan sa modify panel natin. Yung topic natin sa modify. Okay? Balikan lang natin yung spline. So, yung uniform width. So, TL sa ating command line. Then, next point. Specify start point. Then, width. Specify starting point natin is, starting width natin is 20. End width natin is 20. At 70 less than 0. Then escape to terminate the command. So, ito po yung ating uniform width. Next, yung non-uniform width. So, TL. Enter. Start point. Pick any point. Width. So, sa spline, lagi nanghihingi siya kapag kinlik natin yung width. Nanghihingi siya ng starting width and ending width natin. So, since non-uniform, 20 yung ating start and 40 yung ating end. At 70 less than 0. Then, enter. Then, escape to terminate the command. Next is combination ng ating uniform and non-uniform. PL. Enter. So, starting point natin, pick any point. Then, width. Starting width natin 20 and width natin is 20 at 80 less than 180. Then width, starting natin is 40, enter, ending with 0 at 40 less than 180. Then escape. Okay? Next natin, combination with arc. Combination of arc. So, command line, sa command natin sa command line, PL, or sa ribbon natin. Specify first point, start point natin. Then, width, starting width natin 20, ending width 20, at 80 less than 0. Enter. Then arc. Click niyo yung A o arc, type niyo sa command window natin, command line. Then pansinin niyo, nag-create na siya ng arc. At 30, 30, enter. Then width, starting width is 40, enter. Then ang kanyang ending width is 0, enter. Then line or L at 40 less than 90. Then enter, then terminate. Escape. So ayan. So using spline, so nakapaggawa tayo ng ating object. Uniform, non-uniform, combination, and combination with an arc. So that's all. Thank you.